Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We got a great, authentic, traditional Japanese recipe. Tell everyone what we're doing here.
Today we're gonna make a kushikatsu.
Okay.
Kushikatsu with the, of course, the pork meat. The katsu, if you call katsu, most popular is pork.
Right.
In Japan, pork katsu. So today we are going to make the kushikatsu. Kushi is usually bamboo skewer. And I'm gonna put this stuff, I'm gonna cut into the cubics, and I'm gonna into the skewer. Then I'm gonna use the panko flour.
Okay.
Yeah, like that. With scallion, I'm gonna use the scallion today between the meat. So if you do make on the pork itself, it's called tonkatsu. So usually if we call katsu, the people, in Japan, first things
They think of
we
pork.
say pork.
Yeah.
Okay. Now instead of they're making chicken too.
Okay.
Then if you use the shrimp, okay, we are not really calling the ebi katsu or shrimp katsu.
Yeah.
Basically, we just call it ebi fry.
Ebi fry.
Ebi fry.
Even in Japanese, you say fry?
Yeah, the fry we just call it ebi fry.
And how about
agemono?
Okay.
Yeah. So, but
how about if it's fish?
Fish.
What do you call it? If it's fish katsu curry?
You can call like we do like a horse mackerel, the katsu.
Okay.
It's a pretty popular one too.
Yeah, yeah.
And white fish you can do too, right?
Yeah.
And and also the skewer thing is another thing is the yakitori.
Yeah.
It's very popular, right? The yakitori. Yakitori is only chicken.
Yeah.
Whatever dark meat is more popular in Japan. We love dark meat. White meat sucks.
Yeah.
It's too dry.
Yeah.
I tell you what. So, but yakitori has to be chicken.
Yeah.
The skewer. There's one of kind you can call yakitori.
So what if it's beef? Everyone says beef yakitori or fish yakitori.
That's a super wrong.
Super wrong. So what do you call it then? How do you supposed to call
Beef
it?
kushiyaki.
Oh, beef kushiyaki.
Kushiyaki.
Okay.
You have to change the name. Kushiyaki.
Yeah, no one does that. Everyone just killed it, Everyone does it.
Kushi
Yeah.
and grill.
Okay.
Yaki. Kushi.
Beef kushiyaki.
Like a gyū kushiyaki.
Okay.
Beef kushiyaki is okay because of the beef.
Yeah.
So gyūniku. So yeah, that's the thing.
All right. There's your lesson, guys. So get it right. Especially the restaurants that printed it all wrong. Teaching everyone the wrong way.
No, it's a little bit complicated, In Japan, we just use a different name.
Yeah.
So I know it's kind of difficult for people. Yeah. So anyway, today we're gonna make a kushikatsu. So and then I'm gonna use the flour and the panko and the egg. And I'm gonna put the salt and pepper on the meat. And scallion today we're gonna do in between the meat. It's not really necessary. If you don't want to, only meat, you can go for with only meat, of course, okay? Then cabbage, I'm gonna just cut, slice, and for the garnish with the tomato.
Okay.
That's it. So first thing, I'm gonna start with the vegetable. Okay, it's gonna be more lighter stuff to cut first on the cutting board. So in that case, if you cut the pork first, you gotta washing everything again.
Yeah.
Right? So we're talking about if it's in the home style, okay?
Right.
So
The vegetables.
restaurant, you might have another cutting board.
Yeah.
Right?
Of course.
Or maybe somebody else is working on something else.
Yeah.
So, but in the house, probably you have only one cutting board, right? So just do the vegetable first, and then after you can do the meat.
That's a great point.
Right?
Okay.
And then, of course, you can make a little bit thinner, and it's more easier, If you take, you got a more risk to cut yourself.
Okay.
Make it thinner. Yeah. So this one I'm gonna put into the bowl. Then I'm gonna wash. Just put in the water, and always maybe 1 time or 2 times change the water, and then of course cold one, and just keep into the water for a little bit. Then the vegetable is gonna be alive again.
Okay.
Right, that's it. Next one is the scallion. Gonna keep this one here. This is empty. Okay.
Now this is a pork loin. What should I look for? Pork loin's okay?
Yeah, I wish I
chunks?
can get the more like a little more fatty one,
Yeah. What kind of pork thing you got exactly? Maybe depends
Yeah,
on
this
the
is a
picture.
pork loin, so I like more like a little bit more fatty one.
Oh, don't cut that out, Hiro. Leave that.
No, this is if you make a katsu.
Uh-huh.
No, this is a fiber stuff here.
Really?
It's a chewy.
Okay.
Yeah,
That's the best part.
but not the chicharron is good, but
Let's make some chicharron.
Yeah, but I don't fry it up that much, you know.
Can we fry this separate? What do you think?
Yeah, I'm making the fiber cuts for you.
Okay.
The fiber katsu. Super fiber katsu.
Yeah.
You know, that's how we call. Okay, like that. Yeah, and gonna go with the. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it like this. And the one piece maybe. In this case, yeah, I can cut it whole.
No, with pork, there's no way you need to cut it, right? Like with beef, the grain goes a certain direction. With pork, I don't see anything like you need it. It's all just all together. It's not necessary to.
Yeah, it's not too tough. So after you making.
We can make one skewer like that, Hiro.
Yeah, I can make it. Yeah, I do. Like that. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
All right, next one is we're gonna put the skewers.
Okay.
Okay. One, and then put these things here.
And do people grill it also just like this, or mostly katsu? Because this looks like you just put it on the grill and grill it like a.
Yeah, if you know the grill stuff, you can do grill too.
Yeah, like we talked about. Not a yakitori, of course, but something like, you know,
Kushiyaki.
yeah, kushiyaki. Pork kushiyaki.
Okay, next step, we're gonna put in the katsu. This one, panko on the meat, on the meat. So process is first you put the flour, and the egg, and panko.
Okay.
So first I'm gonna put some eggs here. Okay.
Now, what temperature also do you want this?
This time is not really 350 or 300, a little bit lower. Its container is a little bit small, so I have to find out the way to put this one. Okay, let's start it.
Okay.
First, we're gonna do powder stuff. You know, this is not so good because round one. If you have a square one and a little more lower one, it's more easier. So in this case, I'm gonna use my finger to put the flowers. So I'm talking about if you have a square one, everything go sitting inside. It's more easier, right?
Mm-hmm.
Powder. And again, the egg. Yeah, this is not so convenience to use. I'm gonna use the hand, okay? In this case, you guys find the more nice container to do this one. So put the eggs all the way. And next one is Panko. Like this, all cover up.
Okay. This is the fatty part and fibery part. Looks good, Hiro. You don't think so?
Mm-hmm.
That looks good already.
This one?
Yeah. This is gonna taste the best.
Yeah, it's a good taste, but just only thing what I'm saying, try to say the katsu, you know.
Yeah.
Katsu is not really might not enough to all the way cook. So that's why I was a little bit concerned about that. Anyway, we try.
Yeah.
If you don't try, you never know.
That's right.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
All right. We are ready.
Anyway, I'm gonna do this one.
Okay. This is like just a tonkatsu, right?
Yeah, this is just go tonkatsu. Leftover stuff.
Yeah, leftover stuff, which looks good also. Nothing goes to waste.
Yes. Okay. This one I'm just gonna
Okay.
keep like this.
Nice.
Then I'm gonna close it. Alright, let's start right up.
Okay. What temperature are you at here?
Now it is 300 already, so I have to start it.
Okay. Also keep it on a 3 to 325.
And then I'm gonna choose the most thicker place. Thick place. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. It's hot. It's cooked already.
Okay.
Mm.
Ah, those look so good.
This is the 5-1.
501. Here, I wish we had some white rice.
I know.
Oh man.
Actually, you know, I do this one too, right?
Yeah. Pankatsu.
So you see the katsu already, some I kissed around here. This are leftover katsu, and this is the 501. And for today's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These one.
Okay.
So this is the area I cut the cabbage. I wash and strain out. Now you can see the cabbage alive again. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this one around. You know, katsu place, they're serving a lot of the cabbage.
Right.
Like this.
Do people eat it
Oh,
too?
people just put the mayonnaise and a little
Oh,
salt
that's true.
and eat it.
Okay.
We like it. We love it.
Yeah.
You know. And then this one, just go like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe 5 pieces, maybe a little bit too much on this dish.
Yeah.
Yeah, just put the tomato on the side. The carrots you want to cut, you want to make in flour, whatever. Cut little pieces like this, just for the color. And you can add the parsley, or so you can add the lemon. You know, like that.
Wow.
Then, and popular katsu sauce, tonkatsu sauce
Okay.
on the side. If you want to add the ketchup, very nice too. So that's it.
That looks beautiful here.
Very simple.
And I can't wait to try this and that. Hope you guys like this video. If you like it, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. Let us know if you've made this at home before. Quite simple.
Today I just made it without pork, but you can do several different stuff, kind of combination.
Right.
Very nice too.
Okay, Hiro-san, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you very much. See you next time.
soon. Okay, bye-bye. All right, Hiro-san, to the best part.
The tasting parts.
I can't wait to get my teeth in this one. Okay, enjoy.
Yeah. Put a little stuff on top.
Yeah. I'll listen to that crunch again.
Perfect.
Perfect, right? Look at that
No
beautiful.
baku.
How's it taste?
Very good.
You're so
I
lucky,
love-
Hiro. You are so lucky. You know how
I
to
like
make
it.
all this food.
I like katsu so much.
I love pork katsu. Anytime you want to cook, you just cook up a meal and it's always good. But the best thing is that you at home can make this. You saw how easy it was. You just have to watch the temperature of the oil, not too hot. Under 350, cook a little bit longer, and it's good to go.